Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new chapter. Every drop counts. What is mean by every drop counts? That is, whatever the drops, water drops, is very essential. Is it no? We have to save the water. That is what we are going to see in this lesson. See here, the picture is given. That is this picture of Gadshishar. Okay, here the picture is given. The name of the picture is Gadshishar. Okay, what is meaning Gadshishar? Sar means lake. It is like a lake only, no. And Gadshi means it's a king name. Jaisalmer, one king was there. His name is Gadsi. So and lake is present, it was built by him, so Gadshishar name has been given for that. It is present in the place Jaisalmer, which is present near Rajasthan. Okay, it was built 650 years ago. And what happens here, near around what are all present means large halls. You can able to see large halls, many rooms, and people used to go here to celebrate festivals, and they sing, they dance, and everyone enjoy here. Even children also will move here and read the schools and pray the god, and everything is present here. Rainwater is collected in this lake, and if there is more rain and the lake has been filled means after the extra water will be flowed into another lake. Then if other lake also filled means what they will do, linely like this 9 lakes are present. After filling of one lake, then another lake, then another lake, likewise it moves on. So the rainwater just flow away and is not at all waste. Now the water, but at present today Gadshishar is not in use, so the rainwater is just flows away and is wasted. And even 9 lakes between many colonies have come up, so the rainwater drops are not collected here and water has been wasted. And here see, through the eyes of Al-Biruni, he is also a king. What he is saying, people is very skilled at making ponds. You also can able to see near to your places many ponds will be present. So he is saying that peoples are very skilled in making ponds, but my countryman, what he is doing means to surprise to see that this lake is very super and nice. How it's present means like step well, going up and down, how they are making like this he's thinking and wondering. Next, see, drop by drop, that is, beside Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan, they are getting only a little rainfall. Here only for a few days there will be rain, and the most days there won't be rain. So what the people are thinking, even a drop of water they are thinking as a precious, because there is shortage of water. What our people are doing, they are just wasting the water unnecessarily, because they are getting more than they need. If there is a scarcity, they are looking like it is a precious. Where they are getting the water? From the lakes, ponds, and see here step well ponds there going up and down, they can use this and they are collecting the water from this. Okay, and if rain comes means only they are getting the water. And see, long ago what they will do means, people used to make long journey with animals and some goods. During that time they built the like a step well, and from that they get the water. And what is the custom related to water means, see in this picture, she's a new bride. After getting married, what she's doing, she's praying the water. See, it's a very good habit, no? This is a bride of Uttarakhand in this picture is present. After she got married, she come to the new village and she bows to the pond, because water is a very essential thing in our life. So only she bows, that is she prays. This is a custom related to water. What is the custom related to water here given? New bride after getting married, she is coming near to the water and praying. And see here, different types of pots are present. This is a beautiful copper pot. One is a shining one and another one is not a shining one, that is a yellow part of brass made of. And how it is looking, it is very nice, no? Like this you may also collect the water, drinking water from near to your place. That can also you can write it down, because not only we use silver and aluminum, we use different types of pots also to collect the water. So water is the essential thing in our life. We should not waste it, and we must keep it as a precious. From this lesson we come to know that every drop counts is very very important. And here our story is about a Gajishar. See, the picture of Gajishar is given. It is present in Jaisalmer, where it's located means in Rajasthan. And here the school children will come and they collect the water in 9 lakes. But now it is not in present. Many colonies has been made and rainwater got wasted. But still now the people are saving the water as a precious, every drop of water. And we are the bride also praying after getting married, praying to the water, and we are collecting the water in different parts. Students, you will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 5th EVS NAPS group. Timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you, students.